Previously on My Talking Kitchen.
It's nearly that time of the year, Christmas. And so I thought I'd make some Christmas recipes for you today. Okay, back with you. Next dish is beautiful roast potatoes. These are the best roast potatoes ever. They are the crispiest. And the trick is the reverse to how you normally boil a potato. So we bring the water to the boil. We put a half a teaspoon of bicarb soda and a tablespoon of salt in the water. When the water is boiling, place your potatoes in, and we're going to cook them for about 10 minutes till they're par cooked. Then we will strain them and put some oil and butter over them and a little bit more salt, and then we'll put them on a tray and place them in oven at 220 degrees for about 40 minutes. But in the meanwhile, when they're in the oven, I've got some turkey, and I will show you how to poach a turkey. It's quicker, it's easier, and you can actually buy turkey strips these days in Woolworths. So better than buying a 1.5 kilo piece or a whole piece of turkey, especially if there's only two of you. I'll be back with you soon. Okay, back with you with the potatoes. So they've been boiling for 10 minutes, and I'm going to carefully walk over here.
Liz walks to the sink
And tip them into my sieve. Sieve. Which will give me nice rough edges. So now if I feel the outsides of the potatoes, they're a little bit soft, and that's because we put it straight into boiling water, and also because I have put bicarb soda in the water. So just move them around a bit and place them into my bowl. And now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil over it. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. We can do 2 garlic cloves, and a good tablespoon of butter or flora, whatever you want to use. Mix that in so everything is coated nicely. And what I do is I've got my fork, and I'm just going to rough them up a bit so they have crunchy edges. And the oven's on at 220, so it's nice and hot. Tray is here, and I'm just going to pour the whole lot onto the tray, lined tray. So it'll have, and cook it for about 40-45 minutes, turning them halfway. Yep, they're all in one. So I just did 6 potatoes, enough for our lunch. In the oven. Hey Siri, put timer on for 45 minutes from now. Now, next I'm going to get on to poaching some turkey strips. Now, I've never done this before. This will be interesting. I've cut the turkey strips up. They actually feel very tender already. I don't think they're going to take long to cook at all. So I'll just sear them on each side for a minute or so, and then take them out and put the stock in. And I've got heaps of thyme leaves and lemon zest and salt and pepper. And I'll just poach these for about 15 minutes and then have a look at them. But I don't think they're going to take much longer than that. I've got vegetable stock is my liquid I'm poaching them in. You could use chicken stock. I couldn't get a full breast, so I had to get this, but that's okay. Yeah, got a little sear on it. There's some oil in the pan. And also I wanted to talk to you about, I'm going to get Gary to turn these over because I'm putting quite a bit of meat in this pan, and I'm not really great. I put things on top of things sometimes. So I get Gary, who's got great eyesight, to turn things, and there's no problems in asking a sighted person to help you when you're cooking, if you've got someone there to help you. Like I'm no good at carving up roast, so I get Gary to do that for me. And he's great at dishing up. Like I can do the cooking, but he does the dishing up. So he's going to turn off the camera and come around and turn these turkey strips over now. Okay, we've seared the turkey and taken it out, and I've put all my thyme in, onions, pepper and salt.
Liz places the turkey back into the pot of boiling stock.
And just going to poach this. This won't take long because it's just strips. That's it. And we put the lid on. On lemon zest, it's got to. So I'm just going to turn that down low. And hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 1:37 p.m.
Okay, and I'll look at it in about 15 minutes. That should be cooked. Here we are. The turkey's ready. The roast potatoes are done. And I've done honey carrots. And just to sprinkle some salt on the potatoes. They are really crunchy, aren't they? They're really crunchy. Oh, look at those. Yeah, so try them, the roast potatoes. They'll be on Facebook and YouTube. See you next time.
Merry Christmas from My Talking Kitchen.